Hello, Ellie. What? How are you? Today is what to show you freaks on to friends.
Hi Adriano, I could tell me about the what the man's name.
His name is Daniel, 28 years old, answered from Argentina.
And what the woman name.
Her, her name is Maria. She's 26 and she from Peru.
What do they do?
Daniel is an architect. Heading's house. Maria is a graphic designer.
Are they friends from work?
Yes, she works in the same company in Lima.
Is Daniel married?
No, she is single. Maria is also single.
What do they like to do in their free time?
Daniel likes playing football, and Maria loves taking pictures inside.
Nice, they seem very creative. New, it's my turn. Adriano, look at picture. These are two friends, Mark and Anna.
Nice. Where is Mark from?
Mark is from Canada. He is 35 years old and he is an engineer.
And Anna?
Anna is 30. She is from Spain and she is a teacher.
Do train, travel, and love?
Yes, they love traveling. They visit new cities every year.
Are twin friendly people?
Yes, they are very friendly and they like meeting new people.
Thanks, great. Interesting friend.
Will thanks for today.
Will, will sign in front today?
Thank you. Thank you, Adriano. See you later.
See you.